Welcome to It's a Piece of Cake. I'm Lima, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these really pretty chocolate flower slabs. Now, to get the actual shape, I've got these silicone molds which you can purchase online or your cake decorating shop. And if you don't want to do a flower shape, you can pick any mold that you like. In the silicone mold, I'm just piping some tempered chocolate. And I do have a full video if you want to know how I temper my chocolates. If you don't want to temper your chocolate, you can just melt a compound chocolate and use that. And once you've got the chocolate inside the silicone mold, all you do is you just tap it so it releases any air bubbles. And by tapping it, you're just also smoothing out the chocolate. So it just gives you a nice clean finish once it has set. Once you've got the chocolate in there, pop it in the fridge for about 3 hours to set. And once it has set, you just gently move away the silicone mold. And when you move away the silicone mold, it gives that exact shape onto your chocolate. So it's a really easy way to make a unique chocolate gift. And if you do know how to temper your chocolate, then you can use your person that you're gifting it to their favorite chocolate. And now we've got the chocolate flower slabs, just a very quick and easy way. It's just another way to use these silicone molds. The silicone molds are really made to bake cakes in. So you spray them with a non-stick cooking spray, you pour your batter in and you bake your cake, and then it gives you that exact shape of a cake. But this is just another way to use it. And if you do want to know how to use the silicone molds with baking cakes, I will put a link in the description box below where I show how to use them with cakes. Now I have just sprayed some non-stick cooking spray, and then I'm using some pearl dust just to brush onto the chocolate, just to give it a bit of character and color. You do not have to do this step if you don't want to. You can just leave your chocolate the way it is, or you could just brush on these pearl dust. And these are available in your cake decorating store as well, and you can get them in any shade or color that you like if you want to personalize the color to whoever you're gifting it to. And I think it just gives them a bit of a unique character by doing this part. Then what I did is I put them in cake boxes. So you can get cake boxes that have a clear lid on top, like a plastic lid, and then I just popped these in there and it looked really pretty. Or you can also just wrap them up in foil. So I hope you guys did enjoy this really quick. I think it's a very quick and easy, fun Mother's Day last minute gift idea because it's creative, it's easy, and it's not something that if you're not experienced, it's not something you should be scared of doing because it's so, you can't really go wrong with it. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Take care and bye for now. See you in the next tutorial.